Hello everyone, this is Adil here from Tara Stage Apex, Mumbai, India. Today we are opening our new firing system DBW02AUTO happiness firing system. Here we go. So we ordered total 10 modular and 2 console. One is digital and one is auto. Let's see what's inside the box. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6. This is other remote. Accessories 6 more, one more, and mesh. So inside the box we have got 10 boxes. It means 10 modular and 1 accessories and 1 manual controller. In accessories we have antenna and let's see what other. Now we have a 10 controller, 1 digital remote, 1 manual remote, and 1 is accessories. First we will open accessories. So in accessories we have a adapter, charger, keys and antennas. Charge adapters, keys and antennas. In next box we have this is manual controller, DBR20 manual controller. Let's keep this on the side. And here we go. This is what we are waiting for. Inside the box, same we have a 1 adapter and 1 grand console. Here we go. This is digital and this is manual controller. Here we have DBR02 manual controller, auto controller and 10 modules. Here we go. This is brand new Happiness DBR24 RX. Let's see the module. Here we can loop 2 wire. This is for antenna. I will connect antenna first. Now let's on the switch. We can change any channel from district team. This is safety test mode and fire mode. This is study button. The power indicator light showing red, it means power low, battery low. We have to charge this. Now I am showing you manual controller. Here we go. This is user manual. Inside the box I have one antenna and USB port light. This is console. Happiness DBR02X. Antenna key. You can connect antenna here. This is on off key. Power is off because of battery. We have to charge this and I will show you how to operate this. Here first look of DBW02 Happiness auto firing system. Here we go. This key and one pen drive. Inside the box we have adapter, USB reader, on off switch. This is pause button, this is start and next. There is a safety key, on off switch, second one, line 1 and line 2.